sustainability, consultation and cooperation, inclusivity and collaboration. These are my focus areas as the Commonwealth Youth Council Executive. My name is Danish Tariq and I am running for the Vice Chairperson, Inclusion and Engagement at the upcoming elections of the Commonwealth Youth Council. 1.4 billion young people. Yes, you heard me right. There are 1.4 billion vibrant and diverse young people out there in the Commonwealth who are the leaders of today and tomorrow. We all can do wonders only if we all are provided with equal opportunities and platforms without any bias and discrimination. I am part of numerous regional consultations, workshops and forums right before the pandemic and during the COVID-19. Since the COVID-19, I arranged more than 20 webinars with diverse youth from different regions. From there, I have got to know that there is a strong need to work on climate change, disaster risk management, pandemic, peace, entrepreneurship, gender equality, democracy, and education. My focus will be to ensure that this platform remains inclusive and engages young people across the countries and regions. Create more opportunities for and led by young people to ensure their voices are being heard. I strongly believe that we are the asset to the Commonwealth's development who should be rightly empowered so we would be aware of our role in the society and are able to plan, initiate, manage and implement initiatives within their communities. I commit to engage a diverse cohort of young people in the Commonwealth Youth Council. I also guarantee as the Vice Chairperson I will build upon the work of my predecessor and fill in gaps to conquer any hindrance between our plans and our existence. My prime concern right now is to engage CYC for the accomplishment of Sustainable Development Goals as we are only 9 years away. Therefore, as the Vice Chair, I will be developing the linkages with SDGs working units of Commonwealth states to ensure no agenda is left behind. I will develop targeted services, effective networking, advanced planning and secure resources to ensure that young people across the Commonwealth are truly able to affect change and live in the world I envision. I will ensure that Commonwealth youth policies are inclusive and seek consensus through consultation and sharing of experiences, especially through practical cooperation as an enshrined in the Commonwealth beliefs. I will strive to make the Commonwealth Youth Council a welcoming and a safe space for the valuable contributions of the member states, affiliated professionals and civil society organizations, and all other stakeholders. Strive to highlight the beliefs of respect and understanding in all we do and to use understanding as to the powerful tool it is when it comes to bridging communities and fostering tolerance by consulting and cooperating in the common interest of our people and the promotion of international understanding and world peace, and influencing international society to the benefit of all through the pursuit of common principles and values. Strive hard to maintain the platform where the thoughts, concerns and objections of youngsters are heard as well as tuned into, which would be a helpful exchange that channels down and meets up to illuminate the path to a delicate and splendid tomorrow for the young people of today. In that capacity, I would take advantage of the lucky breaks profited and endeavors to accomplish as much positive as I can. I will devote myself to promote and utilize the Commonwealth's foremost agenda to empower young people and will work energetically to see it done. The youngsters of the Commonwealth are given the open doors that they need to be a power for positive change. I will give uncommon consideration to putting youth in all arrangements and to achieve the desired development of an individual reliant on the points of view youth holds, the aspirations they cultivate and the scholarly integrity they support. I will dash into a field that requires people with an increasingly educated sense regarding ethical quality and keenness. I will ensure that all the young people, despite any differentiability, minority group and other excluded groups are included in all decision-making processes and activities of the Commonwealth to make a vibrant image of inclusivity and become a catalyst for the Commonwealth's way forward. I seek and strive for moving forward together and leaving no one behind.